How did legendary skaters influence gear safety standards? Imagine pushing the limits of what you can do on a skateboard and then realizing your gear isn't quite up to the task. That's what many top skaters experienced in the early days. These skaters, through their daring tricks and high-impact falls, showed the world that safety gear needed to improve. Their injuries and close calls made it clear that protective equipment had to be more reliable and better suited for skateboarding's unique demands. Back then, most protective gear was borrowed from other sports like roller skating or biking. It wasn't made specifically for skateboarding's twists and falls. Skaters started to notice that generic knee pads and helmets didn't always protect them well during big crashes. So, they began working with gear companies to develop skate-specific protective gear. For example, knee pads evolved from flat, simple pads into contoured, cushioned designs that let skaters slide and fall more safely. These new pads were made to absorb impacts and stay in place during tricks. Helmets also saw major improvements. Skaters gave feedback to manufacturers, leading to helmets with impact-absorbing foam and better ventilation. These features became industry standards. When top skaters started wearing this improved gear during competitions and public appearances, it changed how everyone saw safety. Younger skaters saw their heroes protecting themselves and felt more comfortable doing the same. This helped normalize wearing protective gear every time they skate. Today's gear is lightweight, breathable, and shaped for movement, thanks to those early collaborations. Modern helmets have shock-absorbing foam and ventilation systems, while pads are flexible and durable. This evolution means skaters can perform complex tricks with confidence, knowing they are protected. In the end, these legendary skaters pushed for gear that could handle the sport's tough impacts. Their feedback and example made safety gear better and more popular. This legacy has made skateboarding safer and more accessible for everyone.